Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and this is going to be my second video kind of prepping for my daughter's birthday. This is not going to be a huge birthday party, but there is a couple things that I did pick up. So most of the stuff are from Dollar Tree, Party City, and Walmart, and some things on Amazon and some things on Temu. I will show you guys the pictures here if they are from those websites, because they are harder to show if it is a bigger item. But before we get started, please don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe if you haven't already. Welcome to my channel. I do a lot of mom life videos, so I really hope you guys enjoy. Go ahead and grab your drink, and let's get into today's video. All right, so let's go ahead and start out with something that I was so excited when I found, and I'm not 100% sure if I actually showed you guys this before, but I picked up this from Dollar Tree. So basically you just put the candy or cookies or whatever inside here. You guys, this is like such a find to me. I was so excited when I saw this. So I actually picked up two. I think I'm actually going to put clay in one of these for her and some of her snacks as well. After the birthday party, but this is the other one, and again it just opens like this. And then I also at Dollar Tree, I believe I showed you guys, I don't remember guys, I also found this. I've been shopping for her birthday party for like 2 months, and that's when we actually found out we were gonna have it. So yeah, it's so cute. It's Olaf. It's so cute. So I got a couple of those that I'm going to be decorating with as well. I'm so happy I found this. You guys have no idea. When I saw them, I was so excited. At Dollar Tree, we also found yard balloon sticks. I think I'm going to put some of these in the front of the house just to indicate that it is her birthday. So I got 2 of those. This I actually got at Five Below, and I don't know if you guys have seen, but if you haven't seen, we do have white fence. So I really wanted to get this guy. Is so pretty. To go across one of the fences. Says happy birthday, obviously, and it's nice and big. So I thought that was really, really cute to put on the wall. Again, Five Below. So at Dollar Tree, I also saw these guys. I thought these were so cute. So a lot of these things I picked up, I was like, I can use this after her birthday. So I could even put crayons or something in this. I could even decorate it for like fall. I don't know. I thought it was really, really cute. So again, it comes with 3. So it's $125 for 3. And I got blue and this really pretty mint color. You guys know I love mint. And then the blue goes with the theme for Frozen. And then I also got kind of sticking with the same thing from Party City. I actually got these online because I feel like they were like $2 cheaper online than they were in store. So I picked up some of these. So these are some lollipops. So I'm not sure if I'm going to put the lollipops in this or I am going to put them in this, because I also picked up these lollipops. I'm trying to stick with the theme. I also got this one in another color, in purple. I don't know where it is. I'm trying to stick with just the theme of blue and purple. Again, Anna and Elsa. I feel like there wasn't that much Frozen themed stuff at Walmart or at Dollar Tree or at Party City. There was like a very, very small section. So I literally tried to like improvise. All right, so I didn't want to spend a crazy amount of money either, guys. Again, this birthday party is completely in a budget. So at, I believe most of these, yeah. So at Dollar Tree, I actually found purple plates, and I also got some purple cups. And then at Walmart, I found this beautiful blue plates and this beautiful royal blue plates. And then I also picked up some spoons, forks, knives. Again, same colors, guys. And then I also found this purple one at Dollar Tree. I'm just trying to stay with the color themes. I can use them again instead of having to, like, have Frozen stuff everywhere. Oh, and this was the purple one. I feel like that's like not exciting. And then from Temu, I actually picked up this. So you can't see what this is, obviously, but it is basically for the table, it is an arch. So I plan on having 3 arches. I want to say 1 full arch and 2 half arches, which me and my best friend are going to put together. Thank you, Lilia. So we'll see how this works out. I believe this was like $12, so I'm really hoping that I can make that work somehow. I did get this, and I just noticed I need to pick up the actual pretzel rods to make some chocolate covered pretzels. They were a big hit for my daughter's first birthday, so I decided to get them again. I did pick up some of these packs. I'm only, you guys saw my last video. There's only 3 toddlers, including my daughter, and then I have my cousins that are actually just turned 17. They probably don't even care about this, so I'm gonna put this and a couple brushes and a cup for them. Since again they're already older, so they don't really care. Okay, so then my thought process for one of them, I have a little canopy thing that we have for the grill. My thought process is I'm gonna do one of the backdrops. So I purchased a lot of plastic table covers. So I got 2 of this beautiful reflective paper. Reflective cover. Yeah, reflective plastic cover. And then I got a purple, and I got 2 dark blue and 2 light blue. I don't exactly know how I'm gonna set that up, but I got those just, again, to have. And then, so Walmart is where I got most of, like, I guess you could say, the decorations that actually have like frozen on them. So my mom actually picked up some of this stuff. So 4 of these actual frozen plate covers, table covers. Why can't I say that? So then this door curtain, I actually kind of want to put this on her playroom door on her actual birthday. We will see, but I actually think it'll be really cute on her actual birthday. Got 2 of these wall decorating kits. These are gonna go probably in the door of the garage, since we're doing it in our yard, or on the actual white fence. Again, I got 2 of those. And then I got 1 of this like table centerpieces, and it comes with 3, probably for the main, like, tables. I ended up getting 2 happy birthdays, 1 for her actual birthday and 1 for her birthday party, and then this really pretty happy birthday thing. I don't know what wear that today, guys. I cannot find these long balloons anywhere, Walmart, Party City, so I ended up getting them on Amazon. My best friend uses these to combine the actual balloons, so I had to get that on Amazon. Again, at Walmart, we got 2 of these, which are the swirl decorations, which we're just gonna put kind of along the yard, and we are gonna put a bigger canopy, so that one's gonna be for that. I got a smaller happy birthday, and this one is actually Frozen themed. I got a Frozen balloon. You see that? I gotta hide my face so I can focus on it. My mom actually got these happy birthday kind of balloons that have confetti inside. I don't know if you guys can even see that. Again, hide my face. I think she just found those at the dollar store, so she picked them up. I got this fall decor curtain, and it is more like this kind of, I can't think of the name for some reason right now. Holographic? I don't know. So I think I might put this outside to kind of reflect and look like snow. And again, I couldn't find balloons until the last time I finally went to Walmart. I just wanted to get some extra balloons, so I got some packs of blue and purple balloons. I got a 2 balloon. On Temu, I actually got 2, a blue and a purple set that has like blue balloons and then clear white balloons with confetti inside. So this one has purple confetti and this one has blue confetti. I thought they'd be really, really cute to mix with everything else. And then I did get a kit from Amazon. I will show you guys on the screen what it looks like since it does come like this. And then I got this other balloon on Amazon, balloons I should say, and this other balloons Amazon. I hate that it comes like this because I can't really even like show you guys anything. And then I did just receive a bigger backdrop for the main like picture section area. And then I found these at Dollar Tree yesterday actually, and it's basically like a little kit. You can put pictures. Since for her first, we had her 1 to 12-month pictures. I kind of want to put like 6 pictures of her first year. And then on Temu, I did get these cute 2 crowns, which I don't know if she's gonna want to wear, but I got these 2. There you go. So we will see. I know you guys can probably hear my munchkin. She's laughing back there with my mom. I did get a 2 from Temu. It is looking kind of small, but you put balloons in it, so we'll see how that turns out. I will probably show you guys in the vlog for it. Now on Temu, I did purchase this guy. It is a Anna little outfit, but I did not think of this before I actually bought it. But my toddler we're gonna attempt to potty train that week, so yeah, this is not gonna work because you have to take off everything. So we'll see if maybe my father-in-law can like break it apart and make it into shorts. We will see, but this is her outfit. And then I also picked up this one as well. But they are 2 different sizes. She is very skinny, so I didn't know which one was going to fit her better. But again, Temu, so I got her the Elsa one as well. Okay, so since if that doesn't work out, I did improvise, and I also got her an Amazon dress, which I thought was so freaking cute. It does look like it may be way too big for her though. So what we will see, but if not, she could totally wear this the next year to go to Disney as well. But I did get a couple of different things to see what we can get her, you know, an outfit to put together for her actual birthday and also for her birthday party. Okay, last but not least, I really wanted to get her shoes, but I didn't. I'm not girly when it comes to stuff like this. I really wanted to get her shoes that she'll be able to wear. So I told my mom that these would be so cute, and she agreed, and she bought them for her. So there's some Crocs. The Crocs do not come with the actual little pins. I purchased that separately, but they worked out, and these are size 7. So she can wear these now. They fit her absolutely perfect, but they literally go with any outfit we decide to put on her. Again, just Frozen themed. But yeah, guys, so this is everything I picked up for my daughter's 2nd birthday Frozen theme. I really hope you guys enjoy. Stay tuned to see all this come together. I hope you guys enjoy again, and don't forget to comment and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.